So, you want to make money with YouTube automation, but you're not sure which niche to start with or where to even begin? Well, lucky for you, you have got someone right here who has already done it. I got monetized in 7 days using this exact method, and in this video, I'm going to show you the full process from start to finish. Look at this channel right here. They have close to 120,000 subscribers, and all they do is upload AI-generated movies. We are talking fully scripted dialogue, realistic characters, cinematic camera cuts, and they are making anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 a month from ad revenue alone. So what if me and you could build something like this, but using a tool that gives us even more control over the final result than what they are currently using? That is exactly what this video is about. And the best part is, every single part of this process is free. In this video, I am going to walk you through the complete process of building a faceless AI movie channel from scratch. The story is generated using AI, the script is written using AI, the characters and visuals are created using AI, and the voiceover, also AI. You do not appear on camera once. So if that sounds good to you, pay attention. Let us start.
The first thing you need is a story idea for your movie. I am going to give you 3 methods I use personally. Pick whichever one works best for you. Method 1. Find real stories on Reddit or Quora. Go to Google and search for a story type plus the platform. For example, True Love Story Reddit or Real Life Crime Story Quora. Scroll through and find posts with high engagement, lots of upvotes and comments. High engagement tells you people already care about this story. That is your signal to turn it into a movie. Method 2. Take a movie you have already watched and add your own spin. Think of a popular film you have seen. Now change one key element, the setting, the ending, the character's decision at the turning point. That one change makes the story yours. Do not copy, reinvent. Method 3. Use AI to generate your idea. This is the one I use most. This is my go-to method because it is the fastest and it always gives me options. Head to the description and grab the idea generation prompt I have put there. Paste it into ChatGPT, change the genre to whatever you want, true crime, love stories, horror, psychological thriller, and hit send. You will get multiple ideas instantly. Pick the one that feels the most compelling. The AI movie channels that grow fastest are the ones using real or realistic stories, not fantasy. Viewers engage more deeply with something that feels like it could have actually happened. Even if the story is AI-generated, grounding it in a real setting, a real year, and a real emotional situation makes it feel authentic. That authenticity is what drives comments, shares, and subscribers. Now that you have your story idea, the next step is to turn it into a script. And pay attention here because this is where most people get it wrong. We do not want a narration. We want a full dialogue script. The characters actually speaking to each other. That is what makes these videos look like real movies instead of slideshows with text. Pay attention here. Do not ask ChatGPT for a narration script or a story summary. You need dialogue only, characters speaking directly to each other. This is the single most important instruction in this entire video. A narration sounds like a YouTube video. Dialogue sounds like a film. Now that the script is ready, we need to create the characters. Go back to ChatGPT and paste in the character creation prompt. It is also in the description. This prompt reads through your script and automatically generates a detailed visual description for every character in the story. Once ChatGPT gives you all the character descriptions, head over to Higgsfield. This is the tool we are using for both image and video generation. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Once you are in, go to Cinema 2.0. Before you generate anything, set up your camera. You can pick the camera type, the lens, focal length, and aperture. If you're not sure what to choose, just hit Recommended, and the AI will pick the best combination for your content automatically. Now, paste in the prompt for your first character and hit Generate. While that is running, paste the second character prompt and generate that too. Keep going until all characters are done. Pay attention here. Save at least 2 different images of each character. You will need multiple reference images when you create the character profile inside Higgsfield. If you only save one image, the character will not be consistent across scenes. Save 2 or 3, then rename each file with the character name so you can find them easily. Once all characters are generated and saved, create the character profiles inside Higgsfield. Click the Add button, upload your first character images, type the character name, and hit Create. Repeat for every character. These profiles are what keeps your characters looking the same in every single scene. Now we need to generate prompts for every scene in the movie. Go back to ChatGPT and paste in the scene prompt generator. This is also in the description. Pay attention here. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to act as a professional film director. Read through it carefully. We're asking it to split every scene into 3 separate micro shots, each from a different camera angle. This is the step that makes these videos look cinematic instead of flat. A single static shot looks like a slideshow. 3 different angles in the same scene looks like a film. Pro tip: the 3-shot rule. Never generate a scene as a single clip. Always split it into at least 3 shots. Shot 1 establishes the location and the characters. Shot 2 focuses on whoever is speaking. Shot 3 catches the reaction of the other character. This 3-shot pattern is the foundation of professional filmmaking. It is why TV dramas look expensive even when they are shot simply. Your AI movie will look the same way. Before we go further, just use 5 seconds of your time, hit the like button, and subscribe. I am putting this entire process out for free, and that is literally the only thing I'm asking in return. All right, let us keep going. Now we're ready to generate the scene images. Go back to Higgsfield Cinema 2.0, head to the image generation area. For each scene, you only need to generate 1 image, the first shot. The second and third shots will be generated in the video step. So take the first shot prompt for scene 1, paste it into Higgsfield, add the characters that appear in that scene by clicking the @ symbol and selecting them from your character list, then hit Generate. Pay attention here, only use the first shot prompt when generating still images. The second and third shot prompts get used during the video generation. If you use all 3 prompts for images, you'll have the wrong starting frames when you move to the video step, and the whole scene will look disconnected. Go through every scene the same way. Copy the first shot prompt, add the characters, generate, pick the best image, download, rename. Once you have the first shot image for every scene, you're ready for the video generation step. This is where it all comes together. Pay attention closely because one small setting in the wrong place will make your video look completely off. Let me walk you through it. Go back to the video generation area in Higgsfield. Paste in the full first shot prompt for scene 1, and this time include the dialogue too. Upload the starting frame image you just generated, set the movement to auto, leave the speed ramp at default. Pay attention here, make sure the sound is turned on. This is how your characters actually speak. If sound is off, you will get a silent clip and you will have to redo everything. Also set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and quality to 1080p. Check these every single time. Now, here is how we add the remaining 2 shots in the same scene. Click the multi-shot button and select multi-shot manual. You'll see 3 shot slots at the top. The total duration of all 3 shots combined must not be more than 12 seconds. For our 3 shots, that's 3 seconds, 3 seconds, and 4 seconds. Exactly 10 seconds total. Click Shot 2, paste the second shot prompt for scene 1 and set the duration to 3 seconds. Click Shot 3, paste the third shot and set the duration to 4 seconds. Now hit Generate and wait. Once the result is ready, watch it through once before you download. Check that the dialogue sounds natural, the characters look consistent, and the camera cuts feel smooth. If something is off, tweak the prompt slightly and regenerate. Do not just copy and paste without watching the result. Be creative with it. Repeat these exact steps for every scene in your script. Once all scenes are generated and downloaded, you're ready to edit. Open your video editor, CapCut, Premiere, DaVinci, whatever you use. Import all your generated clips in scene order. Arrange them on the timeline, add transitions between scenes to keep the flow smooth, drop in some background music at low volume, something cinematic that matches the tone of your story, add sound effects at key emotional moments if needed, export, and you're done. One last thing, If you're starting a brand new channel, do not skip your title and description. That is the first thing YouTube uses to decide who to show your video to. If you get it wrong, your video goes to the wrong audience and gets no traction. I have a full video on this linked on the right side of your screen. Watch it right after this one. If you want more completely free AI video creation methods like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I post new methods every week. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.